Those of you thinking about how to start making money online, I want to give you a very simple system you can start using to earn on the internet without necessarily needing to go learn a new skill or try to bother yourself about how to be a computer guru. This system is one of the systems that I've seen work for so many people, that I've tested in my own life personally, and it really works. Personally, I started as a freelancer, but as a freelancer, you have to have skills and trade your time for money. But this system allows you to trade yourself for money by productizing yourself. I will explain what I mean. Many of us consume content, but we are not really intentional about the kind of contents we take. So we just go online, consume any kind of contents from Brother Shaggy, content from Sintoka, contents that makes us laugh and just waste our time. Rather, what you should be doing right now is to focus on one specific area that you want to find a solution to. It could be in your own life, one thing that you feel you are struggling with. Go out there and intentionally seek contents that will help you solve that problem. Once you get the content or you start solving the problem, then you start creating content on how to solve that particular problem. As you're doing that, you'll be generating followers which you can engage with. What you then do is build a course or create a community around your content and sell the membership. And this is really the masterclass I'm giving you on how to make money on the internet. You don't need to be a guru anymore. All you just need to do is find a way to solve a problem for yourself or learn about something that you're interested in. It can be your passion or anything, and start creating content around that, showing people your personality, showing people who you are. Don't hide yourself from the world. Most of us are trying to come online and show people that we are perfect. It's the reason why sometimes I can make a video, I don't even comb my hair, I don't shape my beard, I don't really care. You like or you don't like, it doesn't bother me, because I am who I am. If you see me on the street, it's the same way I look. I don't look different. So be yourself, be original to you, stay true to you, and by doing that, you'll be able to connect to real individuals who also like you for who you are. But first, you just need to get out of your own insecurities. If you want to learn more about this strategy, you can join my university. I talk deeper about how you can build a personal brand and monetize that on the internet. I show you what you need to do, especially for those who are stuck in, what do I talk about? I have conversations with you and we'll break down the process on how you can identify the things you are really interested in. Let me know what you would like to create contents around in the comment section.